Today I encountered what is confirmed my first ever squash bug encounter. He was just crawling. Funny enough, he was crawling on my eggplants, but my eggplants are right by my pumpkins, so I'm pretty sure that's what he was checking out. This could be a female. Of course, I gotta check for eggs now, but as you can see, it is deceased, and I used this stuff, Nooooooooooo insecticidal soap, which also is effective against vine borers. I used this against a squash bug adult, and as you can see, it killed it pretty quickly, so I'll have to keep this stuff around. Hopefully these things don't show up too much. I already got my hands full with vine borers and cucumber beetles. Last thing I need is these things, but that's the way it is when you grow cucurbits. You just encounter these things a lot more, I suppose. But yep, Nooooooooooo insecticidal soap. Took it out real quick.